How to brew the best coffee. First, we start with premium quality, and always remember to smell the coffee, enjoy, give pleasure to your senses. And remember, the stronger the smell, more aromatic, it means it's fresher and higher quality. We're gonna brew 2 cups of coffee, this small size, which is demi-tasse, and we should use fresh filtered water. So here we go. First cup. Second cup. And we turn on the fire to high heat. Remember, never add coffee to cold water. It will be not tasty. So we wait until the water is heated and ready to get married with the premium coffee. How do we know that it's ready? The water, when we see the small bubbles coming up to the surface. And we should use this small teaspoon. When you start seeing these small bubbles on the surface, turn it down, turn the heat down to low to medium. I prefer low. Slow brewing is the best. So we add for each cup 1 generous spoon. Enjoy the amazing smell. Stir gently. People who like to add cardamom or a little bit of sugar, I don't advise to put a lot of sugar for a premium quality. Enjoy the smell and this beautiful scenery of the coffee volcano going up. And a 1 and a 2, and never boil your coffee. Wait for a minute for it to settle down. Drink a little water to clean your palate. Look at this amazing foam. I'm sure your neighbors, they are smelling the coffee. Enjoy.